Please like, share and subscribe. Forsythia is a genus of flowering plants in the olive family, Oleaceae. Known for their bright yellow flowers that herald the arrival of spring. Here are some key features and information about Forsythia. 1. Appearance. Flowers. Forsythia flowers are bright yellow, bell-shaped, and typically appear in early spring before the leaves emerge. They grow in clusters along the stems, creating a striking display of color. Leaves. The leaves are lance-shaped, simple, and emerge after the flowers. They are usually green, turning yellow or purple in the fall. 2. Blooming time. Forsythia blooms in early spring, often one of the first shrubs to flower. The blooming period is relatively short, typically lasting 2 to 3 weeks. 3. Growth habit. Height. Forsythia shrubs can range from 2 to 10 feet in height, depending on the species and variety. Structure. They have an arching, vase-shaped growth habit with long, slender branches that can form dense thickets. 4. Habitat. Forsythia thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers well-drained soil. It is adaptable to a variety of soil types and is relatively drought-tolerant once established. 5. Care requirements. Light. Full sun is ideal for the best flowering, but Forsythia can also tolerate partial shade. Soil. They prefer well-drained soil but can adapt to various soil conditions. Watering. Regular watering is needed until the plants are established. After that, Forsythia is relatively drought-tolerant and requires minimal watering. Pruning. Forsythia benefits from regular pruning to maintain its shape and encourage new growth. Pruning should be done immediately after flowering to avoid cutting off next year's flower buds. 6. Propagation. Forsythia can be propagated through cuttings, layering, or division. Softwood cuttings taken in the summer root easily. 7. Pests and diseases. Forsythia is generally resistant to pests and diseases but can occasionally be affected by aphids, spider mites, or fungal diseases like leaf spot. Good air circulation and proper spacing help prevent disease. 8. Uses. Forsythia is widely used in landscaping for its early spring color. It is often planted as a hedge, border, or specimen plant. Its bright flowers make it a popular choice for early spring gardens, and its branches can be forced to bloom indoors by cutting them in late winter and placing them in water. 9. Cultural significance. Forsythia is often associated with the arrival of spring and new beginnings due to its early bloom time. It is named after William Forsyth, a Scottish botanist and founding member of the Royal Horticultural Society. 10. Companion planting. Forsythia pairs well with other early spring bloomers like daffodils, tulips, and crocuses. Its bright yellow flowers contrast nicely with the greens and purples of other spring plants. Forsythia is valued for its vibrant early spring blooms and its ability to provide a burst of color after the winter months. Its low maintenance requirements and adaptability make it a popular choice for gardens and landscapes.